How to fix Hulu Desktop for Mac not uninstalling. To uninstall Hulu Desktop on a Mac, you can follow these steps. Quit the Hulu Desktop application if it is currently running. Open the Applications folder and drag the Hulu Desktop application to the trash. Open the Library folder. In your user directory, hold down the Option key and select Go Library from the Finder menu, and delete the following files: /library/application support /Hulu Desktop /library /preferences com.hulu.HuluDesktop.plist. Empty the trash. Alternatively, you can use a script file to uninstall Hulu Desktop on a Mac. Here is a sample script file that you can use: #bin/bash. #uninstall Hulu Desktop #stop Hulu Desktop processes killall Hulu Desktop 2/dev/null #remove Hulu Desktop and its files rmrf/application/Hulu /desktop.app rmrf/library/application/support Hulu /desktop rmrf/library/preferences com.hulu.HuluDesktop.plist. Save the script file with a.sh extension, example uninstall _hulu.sh, and make it executable by running the following command in terminal: mod +x uninstall _hulu.sh. Then, you can run the script file by navigating to its directory in terminal and running the following command: /uninstall _hulu.sh. Note that the script will delete all Hulu Desktop files and settings, so make sure to back up any important data before running the script. For starters, use the recommended Clean My Mac X in this video guide.